In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a deposit in QuickBooks Online. Sometimes you might record a deposit by mistake, choose the wrong account, or later realize a duplicate entry was created. When that happens, deleting the incorrect deposit helps keep your books accurate and your bank reconciliation clean. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click, so you can safely remove a deposit you no longer need. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and look over to the left-hand side of your screen. In the left navigation bar, find the section labeled Accounting. Go ahead and click on Accounting. This is where QuickBooks keeps your chart of accounts, which is essentially the full list of all your accounts, including bank accounts, credit cards, income, and expense accounts. Once the accounting page opens, you'll see the chart of accounts displayed. From here, you want to locate the specific bank account where the deposit was originally recorded. This is usually the checking or savings account that appears on your bank statement. When you find the correct bank account in the list, move over to the right side of that row and click on View Register. The register is like a digital checkbook for that account, showing all the transactions that have been entered. After the register opens, scroll through the list of transactions to find the deposit you want to delete. You can use the date, amount, and description to help identify the right one. Take your time here because you want to be completely sure you're working with the correct deposit. Deleting the wrong transaction can affect your reports and reconciliations. When you're confident you found the deposit you need to remove, click directly on that deposit line to open its details. This will expand or open a window showing more information about the transaction, such as the date, the amount, and any memo or reference details associated with it. Within the deposit details, look for the Delete option. Click the Delete button to tell QuickBooks that you want to remove this transaction from the register. QuickBooks will then show you a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to delete the deposit. To finalize the process, click Yes when prompted. Once you confirm, QuickBooks will permanently remove that deposit from the register. It will no longer appear in your transaction list or affect your account balance. If you're cleaning up your books or fixing a mistake, this is a simple but powerful way to keep your records accurate.